When it comes to versatile and durable cookware, the MeJOY 12-inch cast iron skillet stands out as one of the most reliable kitchen tools you can invest in. Whether you are an experienced chef or a home cook, this heavy-duty skillet promises to elevate your cooking game with its premium build, exceptional heat retention, and easy-to-maintain pre-seasoned surface. Let's dive into why this skillet is the perfect addition to your kitchen arsenal and why it's a must-have for both indoor and outdoor cooking. The MeJOY cast iron skillet is designed to be your go-to pan for almost any cooking technique, making it ideal for everything from sizzling steaks to slow-braising meats, baking, and even campfire cooking. The 12-inch size provides ample space to cook multiple servings, making it perfect for family meals or when you entertain guests. No matter your preferred cooking method, the MeJOY skillet ensures consistent heat distribution, delivering evenly cooked food every time. Whether you're on the stove, grill, or campfire, this skillet performs exceptionally well across all heat sources. The skillet is designed to thrive on gas, electric, and induction stovetops, and is oven-safe, meaning you can transition seamlessly from stovetop to oven to finish cooking or even to bake your favorite recipes. The ability to handle high heat makes it perfect for searing steaks to perfection, while the pre-seasoned surface adds that extra layer of flavor to your food. One of the standout features of the MeJOY cast iron skillet is its pre-seasoned surface, making it ready to use right out of the box. Pre-seasoning with soybean oil provides an initial layer of protection against rust and helps create a non-stick surface, which improves with each use. With proper care, this skillet's seasoning will only enhance over time, ensuring a better cooking experience the more you use it. Unlike many non-stick pans, the seasoning of a cast iron skillet improves the longer it is used. As the seasoning builds, your food will naturally release from the pan, providing a perfect, flavorful cook every time. Regular usage and proper maintenance allow this skillet to get better with age, a unique benefit of cast iron cookware that you can't find in other pans. A key benefit of cast iron cookware is its ability to retain heat. The MeJOY 12-inch cast iron skillet excels in this regard, offering exceptional heat retention that helps to maintain an even cooking temperature. Whether you're sautéing, frying, or baking, the skillet ensures that your food is cooked consistently from edge to edge, reducing the likelihood of hot spots that can result in unevenly cooked food. This even heat distribution is especially important when making dishes that require slow, steady cooking, like stews or cornbread. The even cooking surface of the MeJOY skillet helps seal in the flavors of your food while keeping it warm even after it's done cooking. This makes it a great choice for dishes like frittatas, casseroles, or any recipe where maintaining warmth for longer periods is essential. Cooking with cast iron is a joy, but cleaning it can sometimes feel like a chore. The MeJOY 12-inch cast iron skillet alleviates this concern by including a heat-resistant silicone handle cover that protects your hands from the hot surface, making it easier to lift and maneuver the skillet safely. Whether you're lifting it from the stovetop or carrying it to the oven, this thoughtful addition makes the skillet safer and more comfortable to handle. Another fantastic feature of the MeJOY 12-inch cast iron skillet is its oven-safe design. Unlike many other frying pans, which are limited to stovetop use, this skillet can be used in the oven for baking, broiling, or roasting. The high heat tolerance of the cast iron means it can withstand even the hottest oven temperatures, making it perfect for a wide variety of dishes, from crispy baked chicken to delicious cornbread. The MeJOY cast iron skillet is ideal for both beginner cooks and seasoned chefs. If you're new to cast iron cookware, this skillet offers an easy-to-use introduction to the benefits of cast iron cooking. The pre-seasoned surface and included accessories, handle cover, and scraper make it user-friendly right out of the box. For more experienced cooks, the skillet offers the flexibility and high-performance features that chefs look for. Whether you're preparing a quick stir-fry, slow-roasting meats, or baking a fresh loaf of bread, this pan's versatility and durability ensure it can handle the job. The MeJOY 12-inch cast iron skillet is an essential tool for anyone who takes cooking seriously. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.